What's going on, Diamondbacks? So for today, we are going to learn how to start out our 3D abstract name sculptures, and we're going to be using this cardstock paper rather than the cardboard just because it will be easier to cut. So the way we're going to begin first is that you guys will be receiving two papers. One of them is going to be your cardstock paper, and you will receive a second cardstock paper, but this one kind of got a little messy over here, but your guys' papers will be brand new. But we're going to make sure that we have at least two papers altogether, two cardstock papers. One to draw out your names or write out your names, and then you'll be cutting out your names. And then once you cut out your names, we're going to go ahead and be sure that we add color and texture and patterns on both sides. So once we cut this out, we're going to be sure that we cover both sides with a pattern or some type of design that you guys come up with. We will be using acrylic paint and oil pastels to add color to our names. And then once we cut them out, as we discussed before, we're gonna assemble them together to create a 3D abstract sculpture. And so be sure that you have your at least one sheet or one cardstock paper for your names and another cardstock for your foundation. So your foundation cardstock paper is basically going to be at the bottom, and you can design it however you would like. You know, you can have a foundation such as a symbol that represents your personality, or it could be a symbol, or maybe we can get a little creative, maybe add our last names on the foundation and our first names on top as our abstract sculptures. Whatever is your choice, whatever is your vibe, you go ahead and do you. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this. First, we're going to go ahead and just kind of like write out or draw out our names that we choose. And remember, it could I would like you guys to use your first names, or if you guys have a nickname that you would like to use, you're more than welcome. You can use any name that you would like, just as long as you have 3 characters or 3 letters or 3 alphabets onto your abstract names. But we need to make sure that we have at least 3 letters, okay? So I'm going to go ahead, and since my phone is actually running low on memory, but I'm going to go ahead and in the next video, I'm going to cut these out, and these letters will have color on it, and I will also have my foundation paper designed as well. So I'll see you guys in the second video. See you there.